that lick, 2 draw whole step bent to the 1, and then I'm blowing out with a hut tug. Lick 2 is 3 draw scooped to the 2 draw. I'm doing a 3 blow. I'm slapping on that 3 blow. So I'm covering holes 1 through 3, and I'm slapping on my tongue and covering holes 1 and 2, and then playing 3 out of the right side of my mouth. So that's what I'm doing on the 1 chord. On the 4 chord, I'm basically just doing lick number 2 again. 3 draw scooped to 2 draw to the blowing out hutta. On the second part, I'm slapping to the 4 blow and then scooping the 3 draw again to the 2 draw. And then I'm doing this little, just a ta, just kind of some breath on the harmonica. I'm ending with 2 4 blow slaps. So now on the 5 chord, I'm doing, so I'm slapping the 5 draw, sliding to the 4 draw, I'm slapping on the 4 blow, and then I'm doing what's called a pull. While my tongue is on the harmonica, I do a ta, and I slap on the 4 draw twice. So that's slapping on the 4, scooping the 3 draw to the 2 draw, and a little ta, slap on the 4 blow twice. So now I'm back to the end on the 1 chord, and I do a little ending riff to bring it back home. So that little thing I'm doing at the end, slapping on the 4 draw, a little pull, 3 draw scooped, ending on the 2. I'll see you next Monday.